Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so glad to be back after a break. Today I'm sharing a super simple and delicious recipe soft cupcakes with a creamy condensed milk frosting. Perfect for any occasion and it's so easy to make. You will love it. Let's get started. Ingredients for making cupcake batter. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then line a cupcake tray with liners and set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of plain flour, 5 tablespoons of corn flour. By adding corn flour to your cake batter, your cake will have a light and fluffy texture. 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of each baking soda and vanilla powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Let's mix the dry ingredients thoroughly before adding the wet ingredients. To this I'm adding half a cup of buttermilk, 5 tablespoons of oil, make sure it's unflavored oil, 6 tablespoons of warm water, half a teaspoon of white vinegar, 2 eggs should be at room temperature. Mix everything together using a spatula until just combined, or if you are using a hand blender, beat the mixture at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. You can make these cupcakes while making tea or coffee. So simple yet very tasty. Trust me, you will make them again and again. Using a spatula, scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl to ensure all the ingredients are well cooperated. Give a quick mix, do not over mix it. Now let's pour the batter into the cupcake liners. Fill them about 2/3 full. If you're planning to decorate the cupcakes with frosting, you can fill them 3/4 full for a taller cupcake. I'm going to decorate them with frosting, so I'm filling 3/4 cup. It's easy to pipe on and it will look good. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Time may vary, depends on the oven. Stick a toothpick in and if it comes out clean, that's a sign your cake is perfectly done. For me, it took 25 minutes. Transfer it to a wire rack and let them cool thoroughly before you start frosting, or else your frost will melt away. Just check it out, it's so soft, it will melt in your mouth. Here is a tip for you. If your cake is a little domed, cut a little bit off to make it flat. I just cut my cakes. It will be easier for me to pipe on. Ingredients for condensed milk frosting. To make frosting, use a large mixing bowl. To this, I am adding 1 cup of unsalted soft butter. Start by beating the butter for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium speed until it becomes light and pale creamy. In between, scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. You could use vanilla extract as well. This is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. It should be nice and cold. Pop it in the fridge for 12 hours or leave it overnight. Otherwise, you will not achieve the right consistency. Continue beating for another 3 minutes or until the mixture is smooth and well combined. To check the consistency, tilt the bowl upside down. If the frosting doesn't fall, it's ready to use. This is how the frosting should be, silky smooth. So when you pipe it onto the cake, it will create that shiny smooth texture and it will not fall off. I'm going to decorate my cupcakes. If you want a detailed video on how to frost the cakes, leave your suggestions in the comment section. This is one of my favorite frostings. It's so delicious. You must definitely try it. Quick and easy frosting. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the recipe, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more videos. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and happy cooking.